In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI Phantom 3 standard to factory settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about which options you have to reset your Phantom 3 standard from DJI. So I did a lot of research on this topic, and it seems that as it stands today, unlike other DJI drones, you don't necessarily have the option to perform a factory reset. So there is no way for you to do a combination of buttons or specific actions that will do a full factory wipe. However, you can still use reset functions just like the one that I'm going to showcase in this video. So this one is going to reset the network, aka the Wi-Fi settings. To do this, use this gimbal and pull it out all the way towards the far right. And once you rotate it properly all the way to the right, you will rock it back and forth. You have to do this up to 3 times in quick succession. So rock this little nub 3 times in a row in quick succession, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you do this properly, you will see this LED. It is going to begin blinking red and green. This indicates that you did the reset properly. Now, all of the data regarding the network and Wi-Fi settings will be wiped. Once you see the LED blink, it indicates that you are good to go. You can give it a few seconds or even up to a minute to ensure that everything works and is wiped. And once that is done, simply reset the device. So by using the main button here, rock it back and forth to power off and then power on the device. And with this done, the Wi-Fi settings will have been renewed. You can look under the device and you should find a sticker with the SSID and the default factory settings. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.